In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use email and activities on Monday.com. To get started, open your contacts board in Monday.com. This is where your contact records live, and it is also where you can quickly log communication, so your whole team can stay aligned. Once you are on the contacts board, locate the specific contact you want to work with, and click the contact's name to open the item. This opens the contact card, where you can view details and track interactions over time. Next, switch to the Active Contacts view. Views help you focus on the right subset of contacts, and Active Contacts typically filters out anything you are not currently working on. After you select that view, click the highlighted area on the contact item to bring the item's updates and communication tools into focus. This is the space where Monday.com keeps the conversation thread and related activity history. Now click New Email. This option is used when you want to send an email that is connected to this contact item, so the message becomes part of the record. Keeping emails tied to the item is helpful because anyone who has access can reference what was sent without searching across inboxes. After that, click Add Activity. Activities are useful for tracking work that happens outside of email, like calls, meetings, follow-ups, or any meaningful touchpoint. Logging activities consistently creates a reliable timeline, which makes it easier to hand off accounts or review progress later. Then click Search. Use Search to quickly find the contact, email, or activity context you need, especially if your board has many records. After you click Search, select the highlighted result area to narrow in on the right entry. Click the highlighted section again as needed to confirm the correct item or detail is selected. Taking a moment here helps avoid attaching communication to the wrong contact, which can create confusion later. When you are finished, click Back to return to the main board view. This brings you out of the contact item and back to your list, so you can continue working on other contacts. That covers everything you need to know.